for night 1. Marina is a happy girl. Oh, she just caught a mosquito. Thank you. Come here, Marina. Morning. Hi. How are you? Welcome to Warrensburg. Hey. Hi. Oh, yeah, my daddy's in there. You're doing good. Oh, I'm moving. You moving with me? You ready for an adventurous day? Hi, baby. You made it outside. Alright, so there's Lake George over there. We made it to the water. This is a cool tree. We're in this little park, and Marina is just taking a chill pill because there's a lot going on here. So here she is in the weeds, just you know, getting some shade and some space. So that's yeah, go see Daddy.
And soak them.
Are you enjoying Lake George?
Really soft the fabric. They got
Alright, we are on the lake. It's September 4th. We have gotten on at 4:13 p.m. Anything else to add?
We're in Lake George.
Woo!
Say hi. And Marina. A little scared of the horn. Hey, you having fun, Marina? Lake George.
Okay, snack time. Yeah.
Here's a cherry.
Yeah.
I'm drifting out.
Can you hear? You can explore a little if you want. With your eyes.
Stay there.
How about you come back on the boat? Come back in the boat. Good girl. Very good girl. Thank you. Come back over here. What's she doing?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Coming over?
Just cooking up some eggs. Yeah, babe.
Percolated coffee.
There's my mama. And my dad somewhere outside. Picnic table eating breakfast. And she's like,
Alright, it's Sunday, full 2 days.
Yeah.
You guys are wearing matching outfits. Look at you guys.
Green on green.
We're still alive. No one killed each other.
We're still alive. Everything's all good. We're all good feels, and now we're trying to beg Marina to come outside, and she doesn't want to. Cheers. Have you ever seen Elvis live before? Wow. Look at Elvis. It's amazing. Looks just like him. You look so threatened.
She's like...
It's not real, babe. You want to see the Schroon River, baby? Here is the end of the trip. It's pouring rain. We're all packed up. We're ready to go. Camper's on the truck. All right, safe travels, everybody. Lake George.